Juice box, boy.
What up, guys? So today, I'll be putting on the carbon fiber fenders. I know it's been a minute. I know I got the fenders a while back, but I haven't had the Jeep back, and I finally got it back, but it's still not running correct. I ordered another ECU. I'll do a video on that for those that have problems with ECUs. But I guess my circuit got fried in my ECU, so I'm looking for the right one, and you gotta have the right serial number for it to be the right one to run correct, because the trim levels and all that matter. But that's for another video. But today I'll be putting on my carbon fenders. But the bad thing is I'm taking off the welds because look at the weather. It's supposed to snow, so I'm gonna load up the fenders, I'm gonna throw on the stock wheels, and then we're gonna go put on the carbon fiber fenders. So what up, guys? So these are the carbon fiber fenders. These are molds, like I said. That's the whole molding. And I ain't gonna lie, if you end up getting some molds, some fenders that are like molds and shit, this is what sucks about them, is that they don't ever make the holes. So you got holes right there, holes like here, and then on the top you got two. So cause you need it for here, look, right there, and right there. So they didn't even make holes for this shit. So now we're gonna have to go out of our way to make holes on the fucking fenders just to get them installed. So I'll show you guys the finished product of it, but yeah, this shit sucks. Alright, guys, so Orion got the carbon fiber fenders installed. So like I said, we had to make an adjustment. You had to cut everything up, these bolts, and honestly the fitment's kind of ass, but I ain't gonna lie, that's carbon fiber. I've had 2-3 sets of these already, and this is the first one that I had of a mold, and this is the fitment. I'm gonna show you guys the fitment. This is the passenger side. And we're getting ready to install the bumper back on, but that's how it just looks. And this is the driver's side. To be honest, the driver's side was a lot better than the passenger side. There was hardly any adjustments that had to be made on that, but this is it. But the quality is good on these. I ain't gonna lie, the quality is really good. It's just the fitment's ass, but like I said, that's every carbon fiber. You're gonna have a little bit of here, but that's normal. Like I said, if you've never done carbon fiber, this is all normal. Carbon fiber is never gonna fit normal. I don't care what nobody says, what company. It's always gonna be a little tweak to it. So that's pretty much it. Everybody's always asked what lip is that, carbon fiber, what carbon fiber lip this is. This is Black Ops. Like I said, Black Ops did not make the fenders. These are different. But yeah, this is it. Once we get everything installed, we'll lower it, and I'll show you how it looks after everything. All right, guys, so here it is. It's all said and done. The bumper's back on, and this is how it looks. Oops. So for those that are gonna ask, oh, you're gonna do the hood? Of course, the hood is coming next, but I'm not doing regular carbon. Me and Black Ops Auto Works got something in the works, and we're gonna do a different type of twill. So that'll probably happen in 2 months or so. But that's gonna be next, of course, and then a wrap is gonna come next. But this is pretty much it.